Welcome to the forefront of technology with Smart Tech. Explore heavy equipment and the latest in precision agriculture innovations with us. Using artificial intelligence in literal field conditions? Absolutely. This agricultural robot can handle weeds excellently. And the best part is, without the need for herbicides. Blue Bob is ready to make a significant impact on the lives and work of farmers. AgBot II is a robot that decides for itself how best to deal with weeds. It's equipped with advanced technologies such as GPS navigation, sensors, computer vision systems, and many others, allowing it to operate in a precise and efficient manner. If the robot comes across herbicide-resistant weeds, it can get rid of them either with a mechanical arm or a miniature burner. Ladybird is an agricultural robot designed to address the labor shortage in the farming industry. It's equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to navigate through fields and identify weeds. Ladybird is powered by a combination of rechargeable batteries and solar panels, which allows it to operate for extended periods without needing to be recharged. Automated tea harvesters are machines designed to pick tea leaves from tea bushes quickly and efficiently. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that can detect and select only the mature tea leaves, ensuring a high-quality tea harvest. The automated tea harvesters are equipped with several innovative features, such as adjustable cutting heights, leaf-catching baskets, and a conveyor system that transports the harvested tea leaves to the collection point. Pay attention to this tracked system. Such systems can be installed on different combines using various adapter options. It provides a smooth ride, reliability, fuel economy, the greatest contact with the soil, and the highest throughput. Several years ago, the well-known company Arielleland, which produces motorized mowers, organized something like an open landscapes day. What was the purpose of organizing such an event? The manufacturer wanted to showcase a lineup of 15 new machines with various attachments. The demonstration turned out to be very successful, and visitors were able to witness how wet meadows and marshes can be maintained using the latest technologies, with care and high efficiency. Amazon offers the Profihopper self-propelled mower of the 1500 cab series, the absolutely reliable professional lawnmower in the high-performance class with maximum power. The Profihopper concept promises maximum performance and at the same time impresses with its incredibly compact design with a working width of 59 inches. The machine can be used in various ways: for mowing, scarifying, mulching, or collecting leaves, horse manure, or other debris. Thanks to the high-quality equipped cab, the PH1500 is optimally prepared for intensive use. Young startup Bosch Corporate Research has presented a new weeding robot. In fact, Deep Field Robotics presented a systematic approach to deploying artificial intelligence in fields in general, including the knowledge that led to the creation of autonomous AI-based plant classification modules. Therefore, this technique uses cameras that capture the entire workflow and compare it to a database of installed images. This allows the robot to distinguish cultivated plants from weeds in tenths of a second. So you can rest assured that Deep Field Robotics will be a real workhorse for weeding your crops. The harvesters designed and manufactured by Automech are the result of years of experience, in-depth knowledge of the industry, and customer needs. The Automech harvesting tool is suitable for many vegetables, from arugula to spinach, from cabbage to iceberg lettuce, including aromatic herbs such as basil and mint. The machine you see guarantees precision, high performance, and delicate harvesting of all leafy vegetables. Thanks to its efficiency, it can reduce labor, improve working conditions, and raise the hygienic and quality characteristics of the product to a new level. The French startup Vidibot has developed the Bacchus robot, which is designed for work in vineyards. The versatile and all-electric Bacchus robot can fight weeds and treat and spray vines. It's expected that the machine will perform other tasks in the future. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows you to work on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot consumes little energy and reduces soil compaction. Ropa's new Mouse 6 is more than a fusion of the innovative Tiger 6S and Panther 2S with the proven robust and durable components of the Mouse 5. The new premium model from the technology leader in beet harvesters and sugar beet harvesters is a truly reliable machine with a modern design. The Basilier potato combination is based on the FA310W cultivator with serious planting elements and perching hood. This makes it possible to combine seedbed preparation, planting, and perching in one step. Because the cultivator is mounted directly in front of the planter, the tractor can be driven on wide, low-pressure tires, minimizing soil compaction and rutting. After planting, large perching discs close the furrow, and the percher creates a well-formed ridge that maintains its shape throughout the growing season. The planting elements are mounted in a separate frame. The planting depth is infinitely adjustable. The seeding units are mechanically driven as standard. Do you need to effectively control all kinds of pests? But you have a huge agricultural area and you don't know how to reduce the time required for this process. The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer is perfect for such purposes. And how it works and what you can expect. Just look at this. It's all self-explanatory, without words. The most compact top-loading harvesting machine is shown to you. The Briggs S Stratton engine with 11.5 horsepower enables the load to be transported at speeds of up to 11 kilometers per hour. Also, in the OV70R with hydraulic steering has a drive with differential lock, indispensable on slopes, up to 35 degrees. This harvesting machine is particularly suitable for farms and orchards with a medium density of trees. In addition, it can be fitted with a number of attachments. For example, a rotating nozzle, front brake, hydraulic height adjustment, etc. The MTM series by Dango and Dynenthal is a remarkable model renowned for its exceptional capabilities in gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings. With a robust carrying capacity of 15 tons, this machine offers a reliable and efficient solution for various industrial applications. One notable feature of the MTM series is its powerful yet quiet diesel engine. The engine's efficiency enables the machine to deliver powerful performance while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. The company Nexat presents a completely new harvesting system, which has only become possible through the latest technical developments. As the basic framework, the 1100 horsepower Nexat tractor is used, also known as a wide-span interchangeable carrier vehicle. Various attachments for soil cultivation, sowing, and harvesting can be attached to this machine. The work is carried out using the controlled traffic farming method. The Brower 4000 automatic roll sod harvester is a specialized piece of equipment used in the agricultural industry for harvesting and cutting sod. The machine is pulled by a tractor and can be adjusted to accommodate different types of grasses and soil conditions. The machine's cutting blades and rollers are designed to minimize damage to the grass, resulting in rolls that are smooth, dense, and easy to install. Another representative of Caterpillar equipment is the Road Vibratory Roller, Model 825C. It can be confidently stated that this machine is low maintenance and can withstand even the most challenging operating conditions. It can be easily configured to specific tasks, ensuring efficient compaction of any type of laid mixture. This automated apple-picking robot is the brainchild of the startup Robotics Plus. It aims to increase fruit harvesting efficiency and ensure consistent quality. The robot does the work of 2 people, but the company's owner assures that it's not about replacing people with machines, but addressing the labor shortage issue. Well, let's see what the future holds. Becker is an Austrian company that specializes in producing snow removal equipment for commercial and industrial use. One of their key product lines is their milling rotor snow blowers, which are designed to quickly and efficiently clear large amounts of snow from roads, runways, and other surfaces. They work by using a high-speed rotor to cut and mill the snow before blowing it out through a chute. This is a self-propelled tomato harvester designed to minimize human effort during harvesting. It has 2 electronic sorters on board, which eliminate almost all green tomatoes and remove dirt and leaves during harvesting. The automatic leveling system of the double sorter allows the machine to work efficiently even on significant slopes. The machine is capable of harvesting tomatoes planted in double rows at a height of 2.3 to 2.6 feet. The low slope angle between the picker and the soil reduces mud loading and makes it easy to drive such a large machine, including in wet conditions. It's equipped with driven metal rollers, hydraulic weight control, and automatic stop. The Verix 4500 is a high-quality cultivator designed for farmers and agricultural professionals looking to prepare fields for planting and improve soil quality. This machine features 6 cultivator tines, which can be adjusted to suit the needs of the specific field and crop. It also comes equipped with Diabolo rollers, which provide a highly effective soil compaction system. Vermeer has developed a self-propelled round baler. It features a cab positioned above the suspended front axle for a smoother ride, and the zero-radius turning technique is borrowed from lawnmowers. The cab provides the operator with an unobstructed view of the swath, not of the pickup, which is covered by the camera. The Antonio Carraro TTR 4400 HST is a reliable and versatile compact tractor that is ideal for a variety of applications. Its combination of power, control, comfort, and versatility make it a valuable asset for farmers, contractors, landscapers, and other professionals who need a reliable and efficient tool to get the job done. It also has a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and practical. Vaderstad is indeed one of the world's leading manufacturers of soil tillage and seeding technology, and it has introduced the new Tempo L Precision Air Seeder with a centralized loading system. This incredible machine, when tested, sowed 500 hectares of maize in 24 hours, setting a world record in Hungary in 2017. The CAT 637D motor scraper is a large piece of heavy machinery designed for use in earth-moving and construction applications. One of the key features of this scraper is its impressive hauling capacity. It is also designed to operate in a variety of conditions, from wet and muddy to dry and dusty, making it a versatile choice for construction projects in a wide range of environments. Digging the soil with a tracker is a common practice in agriculture for various purposes, such as planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is equipped with a suitable attachment, such as a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the desired outcome. The attachment is connected to the tractor's hydraulic system, which powers the attachment and allows for adjustment of the depth and angle of the blade. The Garford Electric is an in-row weeder that uses the most reliable video analysis techniques to identify individual plants for mechanical weed removal between rows, and most importantly, within rows between plants. The weeder has been designed for seedling and crop cultivation with regular plant and row spacing, where the foliage of the previous plant is clearly separated from the foliage of the next. Liebherr mining excavators are highly efficient and powerful machines designed for heavy-duty mining operations. These excavators have advanced hydraulic systems that deliver high torque and digging force, making them capable of handling even the toughest mining applications. They also have comfortable cabs with state-of-the-art controls and safety features that ensure operator safety and ease of use. The Liebherr A922 Rail-Litronic is a versatile two-way excavator designed for railway construction and maintenance tasks. Manufactured by Liebherr, a renowned manufacturer of construction machinery. This specialized excavator combines the capabilities of a traditional excavator with the ability to operate on both standard roads and railway tracks. It is equipped with a unique undercarriage system that allows it to move smoothly and safely on railway tracks. It features specially designed rail wheels and axles, along with a hydraulic leveling system, which ensures stability and precision during railway operations. The 3-row AgriPlanter automatic transplanter is a cutting-edge agricultural machine that can significantly increase planting efficiency for farmers. It's capable of planting up to 3 rows of crops at once, with a spacing range of 15 to 150 centimeters between the plants. In addition, AgriPlanter is versatile and can be used to transplant a variety of crops, including vegetables, herbs, flowers, and tobacco. NOAC's new box wall barriers are a real game changer in the maxi emergency scenario. These barriers, which together form a box wall, are a self-contained, mobile, self-anchoring flood protection barrier that can hold water up to 50 centimeters high. They're designed for use on fairly level surfaces, such as dense sidewalks, lawns, and paved roads. As with all mobile flood barriers, provision must be made for minimal water penetration. This can be reduced by covering the barrier with plastic sheeting. It's also recommended to pair 1 or more pumps on the dry side of the barrier for better protection. The Bazooka Farmstar Wolverine agitation boat is a cutting-edge agricultural equipment designed for efficient agitation and pumping of liquid manure in farm operations. It is specifically designed to handle the agitation and transfer of liquid manure in lagoons, pits, and other storage structures. It features a robust and durable construction, allowing it to withstand the demanding conditions of agricultural environments. The boat's design enables it to effectively agitate the manure, breaking up solids and ensuring proper mixing for uniform nutrient distribution. EnviroBinder penetrates and binds to the soil, forming a complex interlocking structure with loose granular surface particles. Once the polymer dries, it forms a durable surface, a waterproof layer that binds the surface and prevents erosion. Non-toxic and environmentally friendly, EnviroBinder can be used in the most environmentally sensitive areas where very low to zero environmental impact is guaranteed for up to 12 months. This development has been independently tested and has been used extensively in numerous projects in a wide variety of applications. The Loopmaster Knotter is a newly patented innovation specifically designed for use with the New Holland Big Baler high-density series of balers. These models have been engineered with several technical advancements that result in a 22% increase in bale density. With the introduction of the Loopmaster Knotter, farmers can enjoy the benefits of a double knot tying system that eliminates twine waste and prevents it from getting into the bales. The industrial method of garlic harvesting makes it possible to increase labor productivity several times, significantly reducing costs and harvesting time, while ensuring high-quality harvesting. The principle of operation of the T260B harvester from Asa Lift is extremely simple. It digs garlic with the stem out of the soil, strips the product from the soil residues, cuts off the bulb from the stem, and loads the cut heads onto the conveyor belt into a big bin. All moving parts of the combine are driven by hydraulic motors, and the depth of the knife is regulated only mechanically. All in all, a serious and indispensable thing. Let's mention this HD9 drum crusher installed on the Caterpillar or Cat loader. It's designed for crushing round wood into processed chips. This technique is especially good for processing medium-sized round wood. The chips produced by such crushers are of good quality and can be used both in burning in specialized boilers and for producing various products. For example, MDF or chipboard. The Strongway Drum Spike Aerator is a lawn roller that will help you create a beautiful landscape or level field. The unit is 14 inches in diameter. The drum has 3-inch diameter spikes that penetrate the ground and provide aeration while rolling, ensuring a smooth and uniform lawn. A great choice for aerating hard, compacted soil or clay to deliver water and nutrients to the roots of plants or grass. Fill the drum with water to reach your desired weight and create a heavy, leveling drum roller with spikes for aeration, keeping your lawn healthy and beautiful. The Diegelmann Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. The Hitachi EX8006 is the largest crawler excavator, originally designed for coal mining. Today, the machine is actively used in various mining industries, where moving large volumes of earth is required. The excavator can operate 24/7, and according to the manufacturer's claims, its working lifespan exceeds 90,000 hours. It can be unequivocally stated that this is the best machine in its class in terms of work efficiency and cost per unit of mass of the moved volume. The John Deere 8RX track tractors provide maximum ground traction, incredibly smooth steering even on short turning paths, excellent stability on side slopes, and a wide field of operation. It's safe to say that these machines set a new standard in the track tractor segment. Today, we'll show you the concept of a new model of scraper, which is distinguished by a narrow frame with a width of only 3.63 meters. The bucket capacity of such a machine with a cap is 23 meters cubed, which is also important. For the new brainchild, company K-Tech used many innovative solutions, including a set of power transmissions. The designers also included a concealed hose routing inside the bucket side walls and a curved ejector end. And the fact that this scraper has been designed to work closely with Rockback's 38-ton tractor makes it incredibly productive and efficient. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. And while some workers keep up with the times, simplifying their work, others keep coming up with newer and newer ways to make the work process as simple as possible and go home faster. As you can see, the guy's ingenuity works pretty well. The process of making French fries typically involves several steps, including preparation, cutting, blanching, frying, and seasoning. Modern technologies have made the French fry production process faster, more efficient, and more consistent, while also reducing costs and improving the quality of the final product. Modern French fry cutters use automation to quickly and accurately cut potatoes into uniform shapes. This reduces the amount of labor required. The Deluxe Mini Excavator with rubber tracks stands out primarily for its compact size and working power. This machine will become a reliable assistant for construction and landscaping companies, as well as private users. But what's even cooler is that these workhorses come with a wide range of attachments: buckets, grabbers, tillers, augers, pneumatic hammers, and more. A wet hopper, also known as a wet receiving hopper, is an essential component in many agricultural processing systems. It's designed to receive and store freshly harvested fruits and vegetables in a moist environment, preserving their quality and freshness until they can be processed further. The wet hopper is filled with water, and the carrots are submerged in the water. The water helps to remove any dirt or debris from the carrots, and also helps to cool and preserve them. Check out this video of the Plant Max in action. It's doing some ground preparation and planting seedlings in the same spot intermittently. In addition to its ground preparation capabilities, the PlantMax is also equipped with a range of other features that make it a versatile and effective tool for farmers and landscapers. The sprouted potato planter is the first step in the cultivation of young potatoes. In cooperation with Farm Support, ROPA has developed a planting machine for sprouted potatoes. Gecko is their new manual planting machine that combines gentle planting of sprouted potatoes without sprouting, power, and good working conditions for the staff. 2 people per planting row lay the pre-germinated potatoes along sprouting belts, which transport the potatoes without additional load and without friction until they're precisely planted in the ground. Even potatoes up to 12 centimeters long can be optimally planted with this technology at a travel speed of 3.5 kilometers per hour. Get in Huff my star, always at the right height, is the main slogan of the harvesting equipment company of the same name. They've been able to achieve high harvesting performance, which is ensured by the height-adjustable feed auger. This machine can be quickly and easily adjusted to suit the harvesting conditions. And thanks to the large diameter of the feed auger, the product is transported particularly gently without sacrificing efficiency. GXXD6 is the smallest piling rig in the market, designed to work in extremely tight spaces, limited headroom, and job sites difficult to access. It's equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system that provide high torque and speed, allowing it to drill through even the toughest soil and rock formations. The high-voltage arc weeder is a cutting-edge agricultural technology that uses electricity to kill weeds without the need for herbicides. It works by generating a high-voltage electrical arc that passes through the weed's leaves and stem, causing it to rupture and die. The Pitbull rake is a versatile tool designed to move large volumes of material through the silo hopper with minimal disturbance. The Pitbull rake can push and stack material into the hopper thanks to its large push plate. With strong tines on the bottom and bale spears on each side, the rake also acts as a bucket capable of carrying large volumes of material into the hopper. This makes it ideal for filling low spots or stacking material along the edge of the hopper. The high visibility design allows operators to see where the tines are located, improving accuracy when cutting off protrusions as the hopper contours are formed. Its easy-to-use and flexible design makes it the best tool for filling and shaping your hopper. You're looking at a seedbed preparation machine which is characterized by a robust and compact design and is ideal for loosening hardened soil crusts, crop residue, particularly effective against maize residue, and for weed control in different crops and soils. Gutler Matador can be used all year round, even on wet and sticky soil. The working tool breaks the crust effectively, thanks to its unusual shape. Then the ground is thrown upwards, and all weeds and crop residue are pulled to the surface and remain lying on top, drying out in the sun and open air. By the way, the working width of the machine is 242 inches. The CAT 365C excavator is a large, heavy-duty piece of construction equipment manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated. This excavator is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from digging and earth moving to demolition and construction. It is built to handle big jobs with a maximum operating weight of over 72 metric tons. The cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for the operator to move around and adjust their position as needed. Just look at how efficiently the AFH5 watermelon harvesting machine works. Hired workers only need to throw ripe fruit onto its conveyor belt, as they're immediately sent along the belt to the place of their final destination. What does such a machine give? Firstly, it saves a lot of time and effort for the employees, who no longer need to move from place to place frequently. Introducing the highest capacity battery electric dump truck for underground mining. This incredible Sandvik machine with an unrivaled payload of 65 tons will soon begin testing at an Australian gold mine, and commercial production is expected to begin next year. Well, let's look forward to mass production and happy consumer feedback. The RT14R is built for sensitive and confined job sites thanks to its full 360-degree rotation. Even with a 28,000-pound payload capacity, the RT14R can still withstand ultra-low ground pressure, which is an added plus. The ongoing parts, service, and support you need throughout the life of your machine is just one call away. The Terramac rubber track crawler transporter can reach places that wheeled equipment can only dream of, all with a minimal environmental impact. Modern forest mulchers use a variety of cutting tools, such as fixed hammers or flail knives, to shred trees and other vegetation into small pieces. The mulching head, which is attached to a hydraulic arm, spins rapidly and chops the trees and brush into fine mulch. Just take a look at this Nitro Trailed Manure Spreader Model 270 RS. The machine has been designed to enable small businesses and private farmers to keep their yards clean and deliver rich nutrients to the field instantly. At the same time, the manure spreading efficiency is incredibly high. Removable beater assemblies add value and functionality by allowing the Nitro to operate as a rear discharge trailer with movable floor when manure is not being spread. The Roller's Grader 8 is a versatile machine that can be used to sort and grade a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including broccoli. As the broccoli is fed into the machine, it's carried along by a series of rollers that are arranged in a spiral pattern. The smaller and lighter broccoli will fall through the gaps between the rollers, while the larger and heavier broccoli will continue along the rollers until it reaches the end of the machine. Arielleland has introduced its new onion roller mower. The WR365 has only recently gone on sale, but has already managed to make a name for itself. The fact is that when you use this machine, you save money, time, and labor. The fact is that the WR365 saves the load from 3 tractors and 3 men down to 1. Impressive, isn't it? And here comes the 12-ton Loftness fertilizer spreader, which features a fully hydraulic conveyor and rotary drives that can operate at variable speeds and provide the most uniform spreading pattern in the industry. The machine also features 41 inches of frame clearance with variable tread widths for seasonal tillage of row crops. I think that's all you need to know about the 12-ton fertilizer spreader from Loftness. And the rest, you can already see on your screens. You're looking at the Casella Sprinkling Machine PLMP model. In fact, it's specialized equipment, which retains all the basic functions of the PL model. However, the machine has been supplemented with a diesel engine. It also has a maximum output of 250 horsepower. It's mainly suitable for drawing water directly from irrigation canals by means of a flexible arm with a fairly long reach, or from underground low-pressure hoses. Thanks to this connection, a single operator can quickly position the system with elementary operations. Further energy savings are achieved because the rewinding hose and hydraulic movement are controlled by the motor. Now you can turn your backhoe loader into a giant chainsaw, and without much effort. You can do this with a very unusual attachment from the Italian company Dazzini. There may not be many possible applications for this giant chainsaw in construction, but it looks great. This model is designed to be mounted on a Cat 432D backhoe loader and is specifically designed to take full advantage of the hydraulics of this particular machine. The saw can be operated right from the cab, and you can control the height and angle of the saw. Powerful stuff, I must admit. In front of you is a Matterhorn Gotthard Bond Tunnel rescue vehicle. And let me be bold, this unique project sets new standards for safety in tunnels. The first vehicle is a passenger vehicle. The vehicle will be operated in a paired mode with a fire road railroad vehicle and an ambulance car. By the way, the vehicles will operate 24/7, so they will be ready to enter the tunnel in case of an emergency anytime. The vehicles can move both in coupled and single mode, so no locomotive is required. Hydrema's 912 ES Rail combines all the best features of Hydrema's popular compact dump truck with a factory-designed and manufactured rail system that delivers high performance both on the rails and on the road. Key features of the 912 ES Rail include the presence of the 10-ton capacity articulated dump truck itself, the factory-installed rail wheel system, and the presence of a multi-tip with a 180-degree tipping range. Other pluses include the easy removal of the rail wheel gear for standard excavation work. Do you have hardwood or challenging wood and you're unsure how to split it effectively? The solution is here with the Polylog Splitter machine. The auto-speed function responds to the required pressure and automatically selects the best forward speed for the wood. Definitely a cool solution. And the adjustable splitting stroke of the machine helps avoid annoying idle strokes, which is also crucial. The purpose of this machine is to cut the ends of the rows to move the water that clogs the furrows. Instead of a 5 or 6 person team shoveling, this machine gets it done. Taking care of the trees in your garden is a prerequisite for their growth, support, and full development. The Rivulus tree trimmer is precisely designed for cutting down tree plantations and pruning fruit orchards. This tractor-mounted pruner can be easily coupled with a tractor because it's powered by an independent hydraulic system. In addition, for efficiency, the machine is equipped with a tachometer for saw revolutions and therefore signals the operator if the saw revolutions are insufficient. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Just look at this technological monster in action. This agricultural machine cultivates the soil only around the sapling, without hitting them, thanks to super accurate sensors. The ideal tool for keeping hedges in shape is the hedge trimmer for giant loaders and skid steer loaders. The blade system consists of special hardened blades that ensure a clear and even cut of branches up to 3 centimeters. Since you can tilt the blade 180 degrees, you can cut hedges vertically and horizontally. As you can see, one advantage and no disadvantages. Lifting and transporting water from various sources to optimize water resources and improve agricultural production, as well as for land reclamation or water treatment. Veneroni offers a complete range of solutions just for you. Their ATS centrifugal pump offers high modulability in pumping and great flexibility of use even at low submergence. The hydraulically adjustable discharge pipe, extending up to 5 feet, provides better adaptability and precision to fit different working conditions. This is what the ideal Horsch Pronto SW disc seed drill looks like. The machine copes perfectly with many tasks: seedbed preparation, sowing, and complete rolling in one pass. I would like to point out that the adjustable pump pressure ensures smooth seed penetration into the soil under frequently changing conditions. This is a multi-head breaker. It's used for applying gravel. This is the most effective procedure for addressing reflective cracking in hot mix asphalt pavement. The Swoko S500 tracked carrier, combined with the Mary Pete Ditcher OJK 1.3, is a powerful and efficient solution for clearing new peat bogs. The Swoko S500 offers exceptional performance and maneuverability, while the Mary Pete Ditcher provides effective ditching capabilities. One of the notable advantages of the Mary Peat Ditcher is its ability to throw peat a long distance away from the ditch on each side. This ensures efficient distribution of the excavated material, contributing to even peat distribution across the cleared strip. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.